Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is the latest update of Cardano to what's going on in this time. At the end of month, every cryptocurrency is completely go in the moon. They will wake up and they jump very high, my brothers. So a huge jump as absolutely soon. But let's see, my brothers, what's the update and what's the prediction. Let's predicate this coin. Kindly before I get started this video, I have one request to click the red button, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type informative and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. Let's see, my brother, this time the Cardano is last 1 hour change. If you can see here, this will be negative minus 2.6%. You can see here they fell us down just and only in the last 1 hour. So let's see, my brother, you can see the last 24 hour chart is on the screen, plus 3.62%. They fell us down in last 1 day, and if you can see the last 7 days, plus 3.62%, they're moving upward, and 7 days you can see here plus 9.89%, they're moving upwards. So exactly this will be gonna be good. All right, so but the last 1 hour chart absolutely don't see this short fail. This is a short fail. I hope after this fail they also take a very good jump. You can see here this time the rank is 5 in the market cap, as you can see here 553 billion, and you can see here the 24-hour volume is 6 billion, and circulating supply, if you can see 32 billion, max supply 45 billion, and distribution you can see here 71.26%. So let's see, my brother, the chart again to what's going on this time in the crypto market chart. So this time the last 1 hour chart, if you can see, my brother, every cryptocurrency after a fail they will wake up and they take a jump very heavy. So you can see here after this fail, I know to after this fail they will take a jump. So just only, my friends, you need to wait for the big jump. Let's see, my brother, last 24-hour chart and absolutely we predicate also in this time. So let's see, my brother, to what's going on this time. The last 24-hour chart absolutely going to be positive. So therefore I am so happy, my brother, because I'm also holder of Cardano. So let's see, my brothers, to can they upward in upcoming time or not, my brother. If you can see every circulation after a fail, after a jump, you can see here after a fail they take a jump, after a fail they take a jump. You can see this, you some holder, my brother, ask me to how you predicate this. So I already tell you, my brothers, to I predicate like that. So Cardano, you can see, my brother, this time the change occurred plus 3.76% exactly, my friend. In upcoming time you can see, if you remember the last 1 hour chart, absolutely, my brother, they fell us down in the last 1 hour, but I know, my brothers, in the second hour they will wake up and they again take a jump. So the huge jump is soon, my brother. You need to hold and wait for the end of month. Cardano is wake up again. Now the price is also 1.82 USD dollar. I hope, my friend, again they will hit 2 USD dollar. So you need to wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel for more this type of update, latest update and absolutely prediction videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.